There is a mystery inside of this. It's an insect assembly. Sorry, it's not sick. Let's open it. Okay, so I'm getting it right now. In this. Oh god.
Age getting set to check in. And
So guys, I just found out it is an insect, but it's a just comment down below what you think it is. But it's a different color. It is an iguana or a lizard. The slime is pretty good.
Keep doing it like it's the radio. I have to take it to him. So
this shit is.
Go there, and when I keep turning up, check it over there. Yeah, it keeps it's out. That's one.
Pretty good slime for $2. Plus it's one side, it's really good. So yeah. Still more in here that I can check out. The thing is a container, guys. So yeah. The slime is good. It's just a container that messes everything up to like get out. Look. It's not that stretchy. No, if I can make toast in the morning to like when the week starts. Okay, guys. Well, sponsor the video for you guys. I haven't made one in a while. And yes, guys, I'm planning something because I know I hit 11 subscribers, more than 10, and I will be doing a video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to become a unicorn and a full unicorn. If you want to become a full entire unicorn, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, off this channel, and comment down below #notification squad and #early squad, and I'll give you guys a shout out in the next video. Bye.